Now, one of the most common questions I get asked is for streaming devices. I've heard about an application, it's really, really good, but when I try to search for it, I just can't find it. What do I do? Now, for example, you guys know I'm based in the UK, and let's say I want to access a very good streaming application called TV. I go over to search, go to the Play Store, and when I click on search on the top right, when I type in TV, TUBI, let's type that in, click on search, we can see I get no results. Similarly, I recently did a review for another application called TVNZ, which was designed for the New Zealand audience. But again, when I go to the top here, let's type in TVNZ, we can see no results. So how can we fix it? Now, the easiest way to fix this on your Android TV devices, I would say, is to create a brand new email address that you can use for accessing international applications. All you have to do is on your phone, maybe on your computer, just make sure you have a USA IP address by maybe using IPVanish or another VPN, make a connection and create a brand new account, and that will automatically set your location as USA. I've already done that on my NVIDIA Shield. We can see when I go to the top, I can switch accounts, and I have two accounts there. I've got my standard account, which is this one. I've got my dedicated account, which I use for international apps. So again, it's completely free to use. You can sign up with Gmail. Once you have that, just make sure that when you are signing up, you have got your VPN activated. Once the sign up finishes, you can then log into that account as I've done on my NVIDIA Shield. I can click on select. And this is now saying or pretending like I'm in USA, and all I need to do now is just access a USA IP address. Now, the easiest way to do that, I can just go to home. Let's now fire up IPVanish. Of course, you can use any VPN that you like. Let's say I do want to get Tubi TV. I'm going to fire up IPVanish, click on locations. I can just choose any location in USA. So let's just go for New York. Let's connect to that. So now my device has made a connection to a secure server in New York, and what that secure server does is firstly encrypts all of my traffic so nobody can see, my ISP can't monitor what I'm doing, but it also changes my IP address and issues me an IP address from that location. So right now my public IP starts with 216 and ends in 64. Once I have that, I now go to home. I can now go back to the Play Store. And watch what happens now when I click on search. I can now type in Tubi TV again, TU, and there you can see it, guys. So I can now select that. I've already got it installed, but if it wasn't installed, I could then install it directly from there. So this is really the easiest way you can get all of your official applications from anywhere in the world, wherever you are in the world. Similarly, if I want to get the TVNZ application, which is for New Zealand, I can again press home. I can quickly go back to IPVanish, click on that, click on location on the bottom left, and this time let's now change our virtual location to New Zealand. We can see is here. So one click, make a connection. My NVIDIA Shield now has made a connection to New Zealand, but more importantly, it now has that New Zealand IP address. I have that. I can now press home, go back to the Play Store, and watch what happens now when I click on search. When I now search for TVNZ, we can see very quickly TVNZ. We can see there's the application there, guys. So this really is the easiest way for anybody to get official applications. If you don't want to download them from different websites or online repositories, you'd rather get all of your official applications directly from the Play Store. This really is the best way to do it, and it supports all locations, all regions, as long as your VPN does. Let's just do one final test. So another location for good applications is Australia. They've got some applications like the 9 channel. I think they have another one called TV8. So again, let's back out of this. Let's go back to my VPN, and let's now finally set my location to Australia. Let's click on that, click on connect. Let's now get that Australian IP. We have that now. And now when I press home, go back to the Play Store, Let's search for 9. There it is. Sorry, it's called the 9 now. There's the application there. I can update it now. This will update the application to the latest version direct from the Play Store, because this application or the Play Store, it believes I'm in Australia, which means I can now download all my applications directly to my device. That's working great. Give that a second and we'll do a complete test. Not only can we update applications from wherever we are in the world, from wherever the applications are in the world, we can update them, but can we actually start them? Let's click on OK. Give that a second. No error messages, no warnings about my geolocation, and we can see in a couple of seconds on my NVIDIA Shield Pro, using IPVanish, I'm able to access all of this great content in here. And this really is a fantastic application and really does have some great content. So if you guys would also like to use IPVanish to change your virtual location, to access applications from wherever they are in the world directly on your NVIDIA Shield, on your Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV, right now there really is a special deal where you can get a 2-year deal with 75% off, giving you that total protection for unlimited devices. All of your devices can be covered with a single price. Access all of your favorite content wherever you are in the world. To get that at under $3 a month, I really do think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. It does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.